This is one of those machines that immediately tells you it's not built for average use. From the outside, it carries a clean but aggressive design language that feels very intentional. It's not just about looking futuristic, but about signaling performance from the moment you see it. This is a high-end desktop system built for users who push hardware to its limits across gaming, creation, and productivity. Inside, the configuration is where things start to get serious. At its core, you're looking at an Intel Ultra 7265F processor paired with an RTX 5070 graphics card featuring 12 GB of GDDR7 memory. Alongside that, there's 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and an enormous 8 TB PCIe solid-state drive. Individually, these components already sit in the upper performance tier. Combined, they form a system that is clearly engineered for heavy workloads and long-term usability without immediate upgrade concerns. When it comes to gaming performance, this kind of hardware setup delivers a very smooth and consistent experience across modern AAA titles. High settings at 1440p feel effortless with strong frame stability. Even 4K gaming becomes a realistic target depending on optimization and game engine efficiency. But raw gaming is only one part of what this system is capable of. Where it really starts to stand out is in multitasking and professional workloads. Running multiple heavy applications simultaneously becomes completely normal. Gaming while streaming, editing large video files, rendering graphics, and keeping dozens of browser tabs open all at once is handled without noticeable strain. The combination of a high-performance CPU architecture and large memory capacity plays a major role in maintaining that level of responsiveness. Storage is another major advantage here. With 8 TB of PCIe SSD space, load times are extremely fast, and the need for constant storage management essentially disappears. Large game libraries, raw video footage, project files, and software installations can all coexist without forcing you to constantly clear space. Thermals and cooling are also clearly part of the design focus. The system uses a multi-fan airflow layout with RGB integration that is more than just visual enhancement. It supports sustained performance during long gaming sessions or heavy rendering workloads, helping maintain stable temperatures under pressure. Even under load, the system stays within controlled acoustic levels. You will hear it when pushed hard, but it remains balanced rather than overly loud or distracting. On the connectivity side, this desktop is built with modern standards in mind. It includes Wi-Fi 7 support for high-speed wireless networking, Bluetooth 5.4 for accessories and peripherals, and a dedicated RJ45 Ethernet port for stable wired connections. This makes it suitable for both competitive online gaming and professional remote workflows. It also comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, offering additional features for advanced users, including better system control, enhanced security options, and more flexible productivity tools compared to standard editions. One important thing to understand about a system like this is its purpose. It is not designed for entry-level gaming or casual everyday computing. It is built for users who want a single machine capable of handling demanding gaming sessions, creative production, streaming setups, and heavy multitasking without compromise. Another key point is the convenience factor. While it is possible to build a similar system manually, this type of pre-built configuration focuses on optimization and reliability right out of the box. Every component is selected and tuned to work together, reducing compatibility issues and setup complexity. In real-world use, this means less time troubleshooting and more time actually using the system at its full potential. Performance-wise, this is the kind of machine where hardware limitations are rarely the bottleneck. Instead, most tasks are limited by software or workflow design rather than processing power. That makes it a future-focused system as well. It is designed not just for current-generation games and applications, but also for upcoming software that will demand more from CPU, GPU, and memory resources over time. In practical terms, this is a desktop built for longevity, stability, and consistently high performance across multiple demanding scenarios. Whether it's high-end gaming, content creation, or professional workloads, this system is positioned to handle it all without forcing compromises in experience.